Have you ever spent hours modeling chairs, tables, sofas, and all the rest from scratch, only to realize someone else has created it already? The good news is you don't have to model everything yourself. In this video, I'm going to show you my top 5 websites to download free SketchUp models that can save you hours of work and help you create professional projects much faster. And make sure to stay until the end because I will share my personal favorites and my few tips to avoid downloading models that slow down your SketchUp projects. Hello, welcome to SketchUp Modeling Academy. Is this your first time here? Make it official, tap the subscribe button. Let's explore ideas together. Number 1. SketchUp 3D Warehouse. Our first website, and honestly the one every SketchUp user should know, is SketchUp 3D Warehouse. This is the official online library created for SketchUp users, and it contains millions of free models contributed by the community. Sign up. You can search for anything. Example, let's search for Windows. Click here to search. Okay, we have a lot of them here. So you can search for anything of your choice. You'll find almost everything here. To download a model, simply click on it, review the details, choose the SketchUp version you need, and download it. Number 2. Sketchfab. Sketchfab is known for its incredibly high-quality 3D models. Unlike many libraries, Sketchfab lets you preview models in full 3D directly in your browser. You can rotate, zoom, and inspect every details before downloading. When you sign up, click here to search. Let's search for sofa. We have a whole lot of them. You will find furniture, decorative objects, sculptures, and much more. Not every model is available in SketchUp formats, so always check the supported file formats before downloading. It's an excellent resource when you are looking for realistic detailed assets. Number 3. CG Trader. CG Trader is one of the largest marketplaces for 3D models, offering both free and premium content. The free section includes thousands of high-quality assets suitable for architectural and interior design projects. When you sign in to search for any model, click here. Let's search for doors. We have a whole lot of them here. Be sure to use the filters to show only free models and check the available file formats before downloading. Number 4. BIM Objects. BIM Objects provides manufacturer-created BIM and 3D models. Instead of generic objects, you'll find real products from real manufacturers. You can search for anything here. Click on this small arrow. Select SketchUp. Let's search for doors. Alright, we have them here. Number 5. Squid. Squid has one of the largest collections of professional 3D assets available online. Although many models are premium, you will also find a solid selection of free downloads. Sign in and click here to search. Let's search for cars. Click here for free models. Whenever you're working on a project that needs something unique, Squid is definitely worth checking out. Before you download any model, here are a few tips that can save you a lot of frustration. Number 1. Check the file size. Very large model can make SketchUp slow and difficult to work with. Number 2. Preview the model carefully to make sure it matches the quality and style of your project. Number 3. Verify that the file format is compatible with your version of SketchUp. Number 4. Organize downloaded models into folders by category, such as furniture, vegetation, vehicles, and lighting, so you can find them quickly in future projects. Those are my top 5 websites for downloading free SketchUp models. If you are just getting started, I recommend beginning with SketchUp 3D Warehouse. Once you are comfortable with it, explore the other websites to expand your collection and improve the quality of your project. Now, I would like to hear from you. Which websites do you use the most, or which one are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to SketchUp Modeling Academy and turn on the notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. If you want to learn how to import downloaded SketchUp models correctly and how to furnish a floor plan, I made a tutorial on that. I'll leave a link in the description. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next tutorial.